just kind of stood guard, you know. So way out here, so yeah, there's a little spring over there. You can kind of see that clump of brown trees over there. There's a spring right there, and there's a flat bluff right above it. So I thought there must be arrowheads there, because if that were Borrego, there'd be arrowheads there. And I didn't find much of anything there, but there was a guy parked up there and looking around for arrowheads up in there.
It's so interesting when going over these bumps and stuff, all the noises your vehicle makes when it goes over it.
The what?
When your vehicle goes all the bumps and stuff, it goes over all the bumps and it makes all these
my
weird
truck,
noise like
my truck knows exactly where every one of these bumps is at, and it's aiming for them.
It makes all these weird sounds.
Yeah, creaks.